In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a password from a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. If you've got a file that keeps asking for a password and you're ready to unlock it for easier editing and sharing, this walkthrough will guide you clearly and safely from start to finish. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and give it a moment to fully load. Then open the presentation that currently requires a password. You'll need to be able to access the file in the first place. So, if prompted, enter the existing password to open it. Once it's open on your screen, you're ready to remove that protection. Head to the top left corner and click the File tab. This takes you into what PowerPoint calls the Backstage view, a dedicated area for managing your documents, settings, and properties. From the menu on the left, select Info. Here you'll find important details about your presentation, including any security settings that might be applied. On the right side, look for the Protect Presentation button. This is where PowerPoint stores all the options related to restricting or securing a file, such as limiting editing or encrypting the document. Click Protect Presentation, and from the list that appears, choose Encrypt with Password. This is the setting that controls whether the file requires a password to open. You'll see a password field appear. If the file is currently protected, this box will be filled, often with masked characters like dots, to indicate that a password is set. To remove the protection, carefully select everything in the box and delete it so the field is completely empty. This step is crucial. Leaving even a single character in there means the file will remain protected. Clearing the field tells PowerPoint to remove encryption entirely. When the box is empty, click OK to confirm. With that, the password requirement is removed. From now on, opening this presentation will not prompt for a password, making it easier to access, edit, and share, especially helpful if you're collaborating with teammates or sending the file to someone who needs quick access. A quick note on best practices: removing a password means anyone who has the file can open it. If the content is sensitive, consider where the file is stored and who has access to it, or keep a separate protected version for confidential use. And that's all it takes. You've successfully removed the password and regained full control over your PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss new uploads.